In these given carbocations, first one is ortho derivative and second one is meta derivative and last one is para derivative. As we know, NO2 group is minus I group. Here minus I effect is there. Here also minus I effect. Here also minus I effect of NO2 group. But in this case, NO2 group is at ortho position. So here minus I effect will be strong. Why minus I effect will be strong? It is very near to this positively charged carbon. And as compared to this one, in this case minus I effect will be less. And by considering the third compound, here minus I effect will be weak. Now we have to consider the second factor, that is resonance. NO2 group is minus R group. What is minus R group? Electrons will be pulled from the ring towards the group by NO2 group. That is why NO2 is a minus R group. In ortho derivative and in para derivative, there will be same extent of minus R effect, that is resonance effect. But in meta position, there is no resonance effect. No resonance effect. This is very important point that is to be noted down. That is, in meta position, there is no resonance effect. So we can compare the stability of these carbocations. That is, resonance and inductive effects are present in A and C. Among those, which is more stable, this one is less stable and this one is more stable. Why? Here inductive effect is maximum, so NO2 group will pull the electron from sigma bond towards it. As a result of that one, the positive charge of this carbon increases. As positive charge increases, stability decreases. In C, the distance between positively charged carbon and the NO2 group is maximum in this case. That is why inductive effect will be less. That is, the withdrawal of electron will be less. The positive charge will be lesser than in first compound. Then what happens in case of B? Here there is no resonance, only inductive effect. So here the pulling of electron or withdrawal of electron will be minimum as compared to the other two. So the positive charge will be minimum in this case. As the positive charge is minimum, stability increases. So the order of stability is nothing but B is greater than C, which is greater than A. In set 12, here all are benzyl carbocations. This is methyl substituent and this is ethyl substituent and this is isopropyl substituent and this one is tert butyl substituent. If we consider methyl group, ethyl group, isopropyl group and tert butyl group, we know the powerful inductive effect is for tert butyl group. Tert butyl group is strong plus I group. Methyl group is weak plus I group. But when these alkyl groups are attached on an sp2 carbon, then hyperconjugation takes place. So hyperconjugation is directly proportional to number of alpha hydrogen atoms. So we can count alpha hydrogen here. In this case, alpha hydrogen is equal to 3 because this is alpha carbon. Here this is alpha carbon, so alpha hydrogen is equal to 2. Here this is alpha carbon, so alpha hydrogen is equal to 1. Here this is alpha carbon, so alpha hydrogen is equal to 0. If inductive effect and hyperconjugation effect are in opposite directions, then what will happen? hyperconjugation effect predominates. So we have to consider hyperconjugation effect, not inductive effect. Which species gives maximum hyperconjugation structures? The first species. Okay, so here the positive charge of this carbon will be very less as compared to the others. Why? Due to more number of hyperconjugation structures, electron will be pushed towards the benzene ring. As a result of positive resonance effect, what happens? The electron density on this carbon increases. As a result of increasing electron density, positive charge decreases. From left to right, hyperconjugation structures decreases means the positive resonance effect will be decreasing, and as a result of the positive charge on this carbon increases. So on this carbon, the maximum positive charge will be there. So the stability order of this species is nothing but first structure greater than, second structure greater than, third structure greater than, fourth structure. In set 13, this is ethyl carbocation and this is vinyl carbocation. This is acetylenic carbocation and this is phenyl carbocation. Here, as we know, this is sp3 hybridized carbon attached on this carbon, and here it is sp2 carbon, and here it is sp carbon, here also sp2 carbon. As percentage of S character increases, what is percentage of S character? Here one s orbital and 3 p orbitals are hybridized. This hybridized orbitals has 25% S character and 75% P character. Here 33.33% S character, 66.66% P character. Here 50% S character and 50% P character. As percentage S character increases, what happens? Electronegativity increases. Okay? Positive charge on an electronegative species, highly unstable. So most electronegative in these four structures is nothing but this one, acetylenic carbocation, this carbocation. Okay? We can give this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. So C is highly unstable, stability will be very less than the other three because of the high electronegativity of triply bonded carbon species. Then phenyl group, as you know, positive charge indicates deficiency of electron. If this was benzene, then resonance will be there. As a result of this positive charge or this electron deficiency, it affects badly the resonance. So, due to the presence of this positive charge, the species will be highly unstable as compared to this vinyl carbocation. So, next one is D. Then vinyl carbocation, that is B, is more stable than phenyl carbocation. Most stable carbocation is nothing but the first compound. Why? Here one plus I group is present, CH3 group is present, and also hyperconjugation is possible. That is why A is more stable. In set 14, the first compound is a secondary carbocation. Why this is secondary carbocation? That is, two carbon atoms are directly attached to this positively charged carbon. By seeing this one, we will misunderstand as tertiary, but this is not tertiary because one atom is oxygen atom. Now listen here, oxygen has lone pair of electrons. This lone pair is in conjugation with this positive charge. So there is a possibility for resonance. Is it clear? Now in second compound, this carbocation is a primary carbocation. Okay, don't misunderstand as secondary. This is primary because directly attached to only one carbon atom. Here it is oxygen atom, not carbon atom. Here also lone pair of this oxygen will take part in resonance. That is, there is conjugation between positive charge and lone pair. Therefore, resonance is possible in this case. Now in third compound, listen here, this is a secondary carbocation. Here hyperconjugation structure and inductive effect both exist here. Here also hyperconjugation structures possible. Okay. In this case, this is a primary carbocation. Hyperconjugation structures and inductive effect also possible in this case. Here inductive effect. Then the order of stability is nothing but A greater than B greater than C greater than D. A has resonance plus it is a secondary carbocation. B has resonance but it is a primary carbocation. C has no resonance, it is a secondary carbocation. D has no resonance but it is a primary carbocation. In set 15, inductive effect and hyperconjugation are the considering factors. This one is a primary carbocation. Why this is a primary carbocation? This positively charged carbon is directly attached to only one carbon. This is a tertiary carbocation. This is a secondary carbocation. Why this is tertiary? Positively charged carbon directly attached to 3 other carbon atoms. Here positively charged carbon directly attached to 2 other carbon atoms. So always you should understand the basic and fundamental fact, that is nothing but tertiary will be more stable than secondary, which will be more stable than primary. So here tertiary is nothing but B. B is greater than, C is greater than A. Since C is secondary and A is primary. Note this point. Now here alpha hydrogen is equal to, this carbon is attached to this carbon, so this is alpha carbon, so alpha hydrogen is equal to 1. Here this carbon is directly attached to this carbon and this carbon. So here alpha hydrogen is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 2, that is 8. Here alpha hydrogen is equal to here 2 alpha, this is alpha carbon, this is alpha carbon. So here 2 alpha hydrogen, here 1 alpha hydrogen. So total alpha hydrogen is equal to 3. In species B, 8 alpha hydrogen is there. In species C, 3 alpha hydrogen is there. In species 1, only 1 alpha hydrogen is present. So as per hyperconjugation also, the order of stability is this.